let's open the box. It's not too much of a shadow, so it's probably not good. Hey folks, welcome to the channel. I'm SB Mitch. Let me enunciate that a little better. Hello, welcome to the channel. I am SB Mitch. You can give me a follow on social media platforms, Twitch and Twitter. Boop, right there. Okay, that's gonna get annoying really fast. This channel's annoying though, so it happens. But do that stuff. You can subscribe. You can do whatever. It doesn't really matter. Hello, pals. Welcome to the Beater Box series that happens every Friday on this channel, unfortunately for you. This box is from Soul Supremacy, soulsupremacy.com. Check them out. And just because I have to say it every video, Soul Supremacy has a closed membership-only Beater Box program, so you cannot buy these boxes, but you have to watch me open them. Whoops! This box was $775 plus $50 to ship it here to the Windy City, Chicago, Illinois. No one talks like that here. I don't know why I do it. For a grand total of $825. Clarence? Is that right? No, this box was $725 plus 50 to make it $775. You should probably look at the box before you actually say words. Idiot. Me. I'm the idiot. That's Clarence. It's a counter. Let's open the box. Oh good, there's an Ultra Boost right on top. Neat. Let's get this Ultra Boost out of the way because I'm not gonna know anything about it. Size US Men's 10 Ultra Boost Uncaged LTD, which as you know means, look, there's Dylan. Yeah, this is definitely not the original box. If I were to guess, I would say these are Deadstock. It's a pair of the weird white camo NMD R2, I think, because it's got this weird cage thing. I don't know. I don't know much about Adidas, probably because I'm not a Ukrainian UFC fighter, but hey, that's just me. The Deadstock, what's the size on this? Or they look like unlaced or something. I don't know. They're probably tried on. It's a size US Men's 10.5. There you go. I'm not gonna waste time on these because frankly, they're kind of a waste of time. Sorry, Adidas people. If you're gonna buy those, you can go ahead and turn off your Insane Clown Posse playlist. Go to my website, sbmitch.com, and buy them if you really want to. That's so mean. Something jump, man. This box has seen better days. Size 12, Jordan 1 Retro High Premium. Well, these are Deadstock. This is the camo release from like a couple of years ago, I think, too. I don't know how much these are going for. It's kind of a cool colorway. I don't know if you could see like the different textures on the upper there. I don't know if those are 3M, but it's got suede on the ankle or on the vamp or whatever, and the swoosh. This is a really fall-friendly colorway, and it's a Jordan 1. I don't know what the value is on I don't know what the value is like on these, but it's a Deadstock pair, and it's a size 12 and a Jordan 1. Can't complain. There you go. The camo premium whatevers. Hey, look, it's a Nike box. Size 12.5, Air More Up Tempo. These look to be Deadstock. Which year are these? 2016. 2016 Olympic More Up Tempos. StockX tag still attached. Cool. But it's a size 12.5. These might have sneaky value because 12.5 is a really rare size, but these also did re-release in 2020, so there could be a chance that these don't have much value. Either way, it's a super classic silhouette for Nike basketball. Especially if you're a Scottie Pippen fan, which you can tell by the 8 on the back of here. There you go, Deadstock pair, 12.5. It's not a bad shoe to get. Wish the box was in better shape. Let's see. 6.5 Youth, Jordan 12 Retro Premium. Grade school, obviously. Yep, cool. Chinese New Year. Jordan 12, these came out a couple years ago. Just a really cool take on the Jordan 12 silhouette. It's got a lot of cool textures on it. The upper's all suede, but it's also got this like embossed kind of like texture on it. The liner has texture too. These are Deadstock too. Four of four shoes have been Deadstock, so you can't really complain about that. But there you go, 6.5, Deadstock condition. Doesn't look like there's any discoloration or anything like that, so cool. This box is better than last week's in my opinion so far. Air Zoom Generation St. Vincent St. Mary Quick Strike in a size US men's 10. I know exactly what these are then. Deadstock too. This is the LeBron 1, whatever you call it, St. Vincent St. Mary, which is his high school outside of Akron, Ohio. I only know that because I grew up in Cleveland, so LeBron was kind of our economy while I was living there. The box is beat up, but again, it's a Deadstock pair, cannot complain. And it's a really classic LeBron release if you're into that kind of stuff. Yeah, there's still a cover on the back too. So just a beat up box, but still Deadstock, cannot complain, size 10. St. Vincent St. Mary, Air Zoom Generation, LeBron 1, whatever you call it. What's this? Some kind of Adidas, again, sneaking that in the bottom. Size 12.5, NMD TS1 PK GTX. I don't know what this stuff means. Deadstock again. What in the heck ever these things are. There's no cage. They're Gore-Tex, so that's probably what the GTX means. But it's an NMD. It's Deadstock. It's a size 12.5. I don't know how NMDs fit because an NMD will never touch my feet. But it's got this weird upper on it. It just says Gore-Tex all over it. It's got this is that magnetized? Yeah, it's magnetized. Ha! Interesting. They're Deadstock, and it's a size 12.5. I don't know anything about these, so I'm not going to waste any more time on them, but I guess that's cool. The box is beat up. If this whole box is Deadstock, I will not complain, because this last pair, if it's Deadstock, I can tell it's a Jordan 12. 10.5, Jordan 12 Retro. They're Deadstock, and it's a very good release, too. Master 12s, very good release. A lot of... There's not many mostly black or triple black Jordan 12 colorways. This is one of them, and it's nice. It's got these little gold accents here, and this tab thing is white on the side too. Again, no wear, no creasing, brand new shoe, just a beat up box. So all of these shoes are Deadstock. This is definitely the money shoe of the box. I'm interested to know how much these are going for, but there's your last shoe, 10.5, Master 12s. This box absolutely crushes last week's box in my opinion, but let's see what the numbers say. Breakdown incoming. Well, number one, with all these pairs being Deadstock, that means I don't have to clean anything. Big fan of that. And number two, I mean, this is just a good box because of that. The ease of movement is going to be super high because they're Deadstock pairs, and people will buy Deadstock pairs before worn pairs any day. But the biggest kicker is going to be are people willing to pay what the market value is for these? So we'll see. I don't really know. Hey, if you want to buy any of these shoes, they'll be on my website today at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That website is sbmitch.com, or you can find it in the link in the video description below. Before that happens, none of them are going to be cleaned up, but you can use my code SBMitch10 at reshoevn8er.com because it'll save you 10% on your entire order. Usually with worn pairs, I clean them and disinfect them before they go on the site, but these don't need to be touched. So, I don't know, you can maybe buy some to-go wipes with them or something like that. I don't really know. Hey, thank you for watching, and that is really all I have for you. Have a good rest of your weekend. We'll see you next time. Till then, take care of each other. Remember to keep sneakers fun because they're supposed to be fun. Bye!